Hi loves, here are my favorite fall looks with my favorite head wrap company, Fanm. For the first look, I am placing marigold on my head and tying a knot at the lower back like so. And I'm just going to make sure I like how it's placed and grab the rest of the wrap forward. And this is my first look and I do this style very often. For my second look, I'm going to be doing the same thing with the bamboo head wrap, but this time I'm going to grab one end and start twisting it. And then I'll use that side and bring it over and tuck the end at the back. Same for the other end. I'm just going to make sure it's in place and secure it, and then we'll be done. For my third look, this head wrap is wax-like and it holds a beautiful structured style. So I'm going to do the same thing, a knot at the back, and sometimes I just leave it like this. I love it like this, but to continue, I'm going to use both ends and create a bow to the side. Take both sides of the bow to fluff out and it gives you this beautiful style. I do want to thank the founder Paula for teaching me how to create these styles. She has forever changed my life and I love that for me. For the fourth look, I'm a huge fan of the Fanm bucket hats, and for this extra look, I layer both the head wrap and the bucket hat, which is a style that I did a lot last winter.